Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you Power Run Concept tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to Run Concepts and go to Power.
Here we go.
The Power Run concept is designed to create specific running lanes with lead blockers at the point of the other. The concept features two lead blockers, usually the fullback and the backside offensive guard. Block the run just outside the defensive player that is being doubled in block. Run the player all play and run them through the hotspot.
Gun, gun. Dad. Dad. Here we go.
Different defensive formations will cause the location of the double team block to change and the different gaps to open up.
Dad. Here we go. Here we go. Dad. Just set.
Now the defense will be bringing pressure. The block up front will force the run to the outside.
One, ready? Dad.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.